2024 Toyota Highlander gains Nightshade trim, starting price increases by $2,700. The dark and moody Nightshade trim replaces the brighter Bronze Edition package in 2023, while the stark L trim has been dropped from the lineup entirely for the 2024 Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is back for the 2024 model year, and the automaker is making a few changes. For starters, the base trim is gone, as is the Bronze Edition trim. However, the latter has been replaced by a new, darker Nightshade finish. The loss of the L trim will make the biggest difference in the series in terms of price. Last year, the base trim started at $36,420, and since there's no equivalent for 2024, the lineup starts with the better-equipped LE trim, which has an MSRP of $39,120. Prices do not include the $1,395 destination charge. Although that's just a $300 increase over the same model in 2023, it means getting into the base Highlander is now $2,700 more expensive than last year. The good news for Highlander buyers is that the model special edition trim is now cheaper than last year. The Bronze Edition is gone, replaced by the Nightshade Edition. Available in LE and XLE versions of the Highlander Hybrid, this model adds a dark twist to the lineup and starts at $41,720. Buyers will be offered a choice of colors that include cement, wind chill pearl, midnight black or ruby flare pearl. Regardless of paint, the package includes black 18-inch, 5-spoke wheels, black grille, black mirror caps, black door handles, black rear logo, black rear spoiler and black shark fin antenna. In the XLE equipment package, the roof rails are also darkened. Inside, Nightshade trim offers black cloth-trimmed seats for LE models or black two-tone Softex-trimmed seats with unique embossed cloth inserts and silver accent stitching on XLE models. The latter model also comes standard with heated front seats, a 10-way adjustable driver's seat, and second-row captain's chairs. Both models come standard with an 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Customers who prefer the XLE model can choose the larger 12.3-inch touchscreen. Nightshade trim is available only on Highlander models equipped with Toyota's hybrid powertrain. It combines a 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder engine with two electric motor generators that together produce 243 horsepower, 181 kW/246 PS, for an estimated 36 mpg, 6.5 L/100 km, overall. Alternatively, buyers can opt for the gas-only 2.4-liter inline-4, which produces 265 horsepower, 197 kW/268 PS, but only 25 mpg, 9.4 L/100 km, combined. Both options are unchanged for the 2023 model year. New is the hands-free power liftgate convenience feature, now standard on all XLE and XSE models. Last year it was standard only on the limited and platinum grades.